Hi, this is Keith Shabbat again, your friend in the mortgage business, and today we are talking about the differences between a mortgage consultant versus a salesman slash loan officer. In today's market, what you need to understand are the unique differences between these two categories. As a salesman's job is basically to tell you what you want to hear, and a consultant's job is designed to tell you what you need to know to make a good decision based on what's good for your family. What you're wanting to look for when you're looking for a good mortgage consultant is you're wanting for them to have three very unique roles. And their roles are going to be a consultant, a negotiator, and somebody who oversees all of the transactional details. Let's take a second and diagnose each of these so you can know what to look for. So when you get out there and you start talking to different mortgage companies, you can decipher which one they fall into. As a mortgage consultant's job is designed to ask you some very unique, thought provoking questions to find out very specifically what is important to you, your family, your end result. Making sure that whatever home that you get into, it's going to be for your specific needs. For instance, your mortgage payment, your down payment. It shouldn't be based on what's important to the mortgage. It should be based on what's important to you guys. A consultant's job is going to help you clarify very specifically what's important to you, so when your values are clear, your decisions are going to be very easy. Now, as a negotiator, you might say, well, how does a mortgage consultant negotiate? Well, unlike a realtor negotiates based on price of the home. As a mortgage consultant, what a mortgage consultant's job is designed to do is help you clarify your goals so when your values are clear, your decisions are easy. Now, as a negotiator, you might say, well, how does a negotiator work? A negotiator from a real estate standpoint is to negotiate based on price, the price of the home being lower. As a mortgage consultant, they negotiate based on interest rates and closing costs, basically trying to get you the lowest of each of those, the lowest interest rate and the lowest closing costs. How you're able to determine whether or not you're getting that is by looking at what other companies are charging, what other companies are charging for interest rates. Now, a mortgage consultant, when they oversee, and this is the final stage, when they oversee all of the transactional details in the process of getting a loan, there are many different things that go into this. And the truth is, from the beginning to the end, you're going to sign about 350 pieces of paper. It's important that you have somebody making sure that every T is crossed and every I is dotted. There's about anywhere from 25 to 30 different organizations that are involved in the process of getting you into a home. Making sure that all of these people are working together for the end result, which is your closing date. So basically, what you want to understand is when you're looking at having a mortgage consultant versus a salesman, a mortgage consultant is going to look at saving and making you money. They look at your money like it's theirs. A salesman is designed to actually charge as much as they can to make as much money as they can to move on to their next client. This is Keith Shabbat, your friend in the mortgage business, talking about a mortgage consultant versus a salesman.